Hello, this is Michael Song from Lejanai. When the PCB holding frame for BK200S is delivered to overseas, we consider to deliver the main product with other accessories together with a limited packing box. So when we send the holding frame, we come to disassemble as this. So you have to find 4 shafts, which are 2 shafts are larger diameter and the other 2 shafts are smaller. So smaller shaft has holes to connect with these 4 screws. And each 4 screws are connected on 2 bars. So the correct assembly is this portion is sided upward, and you connect the legs, 4 legs, and these 4 legs are connected at here like clockwise direction. You fasten, and in this situation, if we do not connect these 4 blocks, we connect the larger shaft on here. And smaller diameter shaft is connected here. In this way. But for easiness of connection, we will connect one by one, like this small shaft first, and the other small diameter. then larger shaft, and let us connect the other blocks. Okay, when